Hello, Maryland. I'm Mykia Bennett, and I'm excited to welcome you to this episode of the MDOT Insider, your go-to source for what's happening at the Maryland Department of Transportation. Once again, there's lots of great information to share, so let's dive in. Let's kick things off with a leadership update from the Maryland Aviation Administration. Earlier this month, Shanetta R. Griffin was named the new Executive Director and CEO of the Maryland Aviation Administration. In this role, she'll oversee operations at BWI Thurgood Marshall Airport, Martin State Airport, and the regional aviation programs across the state. To learn more about Executive Director and CEO Griffin's appointment and her vision for Maryland's aviation future, visit the website below. Are you a federal worker impacted by recent layoffs? If so, MDOT is here to help support your career transition. We're encouraging affected federal workers to consider rewarding careers with the Maryland Department of Transportation. Whether your background is in engineering, planning, administration, or customer service, your skills are highly transferable to MDOT, allowing you to continue your commitment to public service. Visit mdot.maryland.gov to download our federal worker support guide today. Do you walk, bike, or scoot around Maryland? Then MDOT wants to hear from you. MDOT is developing a new state transportation trail strategic plan, and your input can help shape the future of connected, safe, and accessible trails across the state. This plan builds on past efforts and will identify existing shared use paths, highlight missing links, and lay out a vision for low stress, all ages, all abilities trail network that connects communities, not just parks. MDOT is working with the Department of Natural Resources and other partners to increase access to trails that support transportation, recreation, and mobility for everyone. Want to get involved? Take the Maryland Transportation Trail Survey by May 9th and help build a trail system that works for you. Visit the link below to complete the survey today. 1 year after the collapse of the Francis Scott Key Bridge, MDOT, in partnership with the Maryland Transportation Authority, has produced a documentary that reflects on the Key Bridge's critical role in connecting the Baltimore region. This documentary highlights the stories of community members, businesses, state leaders, and employees whose lives were impacted by the collapse, and provides a glimpse into the ongoing efforts to rebuild. For a closer look at the Key Bridge's legacy and what's next, check out the full documentary on our YouTube channel. Have you received a text claiming you owe unpaid tolls? Be cautious. This is likely a phishing scam. DriveEasy MD will never request payment via text. If you get a suspicious message, don't share your personal information or make any payments. Use the official DriveEasy MD website, app, or visit the nearest DriveEasy MD customer service center to manage your account. If you've received a suspicious text, report it to the Internet Crime Complaint Center and delete any suspicious texts. For more information, visit the website below. Now, let's take a look at what's coming down the pike. There are several opportunities coming up for the community to connect and engage with MDOT teams. On May 3rd, there are 2 chances to meet and speak with the Key Bridge Rebuild team. You can stop by the Spring Fling at Creekside Community Church or the Riviera Beach Community Spring Festival. Both events are great opportunities to get project updates and ask questions directly to the team. Then, on May 9th, representatives from the Secretary's Office, the Maryland Port Administration, and the Key Bridge Rebuild team will take part in the Spring Fest at Hollabird Middle School for the College and Career Readiness Fair. MDOT employees will participate in career panels to share more about their roles, and both the MPA and Key Bridge Rebuild team will host outreach tables sharing information and resources. If you didn't know, May is National Bike Month, and Bike to Work Week is recognized May 12th through 18th. On Friday, May 16th, MDOT is sponsoring various Bike to Work Day events across the state. To learn more about upcoming Bike to Work events and other opportunities to connect with our teams, sign up to receive our monthly community newsletter at mdot.maryland.gov. That's a wrap for this month's episode of the MDOT Insider. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to tune in next month for more MDOT news you can use. In the meantime, stay connected with us on social media at Maryland DOT on X, Facebook, and Instagram. Be sure to share this video on your social media channels to help us reach more Maryland residents. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next month.